Okay guys, so move on to next topic in aptitude. So next topic is problems and ages. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, the chapter weightage is at least 2 to 3 marks guys. Okay, so very dead easy topic and small topic, very important topic guys. So that's why very important. If you are preparing for TCS exam, Wipro exam, whatever the exam, we get questions frequently from this concept, problems and ages. Okay, so look at the screen guys here. I think very dead easy concept guys here. Okay, so listen, before going into the concept, 2 points are very important guys here. So before going to the concept, 2 points are very important. The first one is ratio. Okay, anyone guys, please tell me. So 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio guys? Anyone? So 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio? Anyone please tell me? So all of you please respond. Okay, good, very good. No one is responding. Okay, so ratio means, for example, here is given 10 rupees and 100 liter. Somebody is saying 1 is to 10. Good, but it is a wrong answer. Why? Because here is given 10 rupees and here is given 100 liters. How can you calculate rupees and liters? Okay, for example, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Then answer is 1 is to 10. 10 liters, 100 liters. Then answer is 1 is to 10. So ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, for example, A comma B, the ratio is A is to B or A by B is same guys. Okay, A is to B or A by B is same. For example, 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same. Okay, 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same. For example, 3 quantities A comma B comma C. Okay, 3 quantities ratio is A is to B is to C. Okay, 3 quantities ratio is A is to B is to C. Just remember guys, what is the ratio? Anyone guys, what is the ratio? Ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, this is the first point. Just remember first point. And coming to the second point, so proportion. Okay, proportion means two ratios are equal. So A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. Two ratios. Okay, A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. So two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. Okay, it's a very important guys. Total enter the concept we are using proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. For example, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. Find out the proportion. For example, so let us assume A, B, C and D. Okay, the proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Then 2 into 6 is equal to 3 into 4. 2 6 are 12 and 3 4s are 12. 12 is equal to 12. It is a proportion or not? Yes, it is a proportion because so 12 is equal to 12. It is a equal. Okay, for example, 12 is equal to 10. It is a proportion? No, it is not a proportion. Okay, so just remember guys, so proportion means two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. Just remember these 2 points guys. Any doubts regarding these 2 points guys? Anyone? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? It's a very important guys here. Okay, and next move on to next point. Okay, look at the thing guys here. Total enter the chapter. I'm not using any formulas guys here. Okay, so if you are perfect in fundamentals, total enter the chapter is very dead easy guys. Okay, so present age, past age and future age. Okay, so think generally guys, think generally. Present, my age is 30 years. Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Anyone? 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys?
25.
Yes, very good. Excellent. 25 years. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. Okay. 5 years before, 5 years before, my age was how much? Same, 25 years. In this concept, ago or before means minus. Just remember this word, guys, here. Ago or before means minus. Okay, so I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. After 10 years, okay, after 10 years, my age will be how much? How much, guys? My age will be 40 years. Yes, 30 plus 10, 40 years. Okay, I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. 10 years hence, 10 years hence, my age will be how much, guys? 40 years. So in this concept, hence or after means plus, ago or before means minus. Just remember these two words, guys. Ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus. So total enter the concept depending on ago, before, hence, after only. Okay, so that's why very important, guys, here. So for example, look at this thing, guys, here. Two persons A and B, the present sum age is 60 years. Okay, the present sum age is 60 years. 5 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? 5 years ago, so their ages was how much? Anyone? 2 persons 55. Very good. Okay, but wrong answer. No issue. Very good, but wrong answer. 2 persons A and B, 2 persons present, some age is 60 years. 5 years ago, their ages was how much? Okay, let us assume, guys, here. So A is myself and B is yourself. And నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ఓకే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్, గైస్, హియర్. సో A ki 5 years and B ki 5 years deducted, right? So total how many years deducted? 10 years. 5 plus 5, 10. Total how many years? 5 years ago, so 50 years. AB, okay, so AB 5 years ago, age is how much? 50 years. Very good. Okay, so one more example, guys, here. ABC, 3 persons. 3 persons present, some age is 60 years. 3 persons present, some age is 60 years. After 3 years, after 3 years, their ages will be how much, guys? Their ages will be how much? Anyone? Their ages will be how much? So A ki 3 years, B ki 3 years, and C ki 3 years. Total how many years increasing? 9 years increasing. After 3 years, their ages will be 69 years. Okay, so ago means minus, after means plus. Just remember these 2 points, guys. These 2 points is very important, guys, here, right? Okay, and move on to next point. Last 2 points is a very important. Twice problems and thrice problems. So twice means 2 times, and next thrice means 3 times. Twice means 2 times and thrice means 3 times. First, read the first statement, guys, here. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. First, I'm going to basic method, guys, here. Son ages we don't know, let x, guys, here. Son ages we don't know, let x. Father is how many times? 3 times, right? X into 3, 3x. It is a formation, right? So if you are going to basic method, son ages we don't know, let x, guys, here, right? So father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3, 3x. Okay, the formation is 3x is to x. For example, if you are going to shortcut method, Okay, so son age is we don't know, let 1. Let us assume let 1. Okay, కొంతమంది డౌట్ రావచ్చు సార్ 1 ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటాం సార్ 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదంటే yes, you can take any number, no problem, we will get the final answer is same answer. Okay, somebody taking, so son age is we don't know, let 2. Somebody taking, okay, son age is we don't know, let 10 years. Okay, no problem guys, you can take any number, no problem, finally we will get the same answer. Okay, for example, son age is we don't know, let 1 guys. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. For example, if you are taking son age is 2 years, okay, father is how many times? 3 times. So 2 into 3, 6 years. Okay, 6 times. Next. So for example, if you are taking son age is 10 years, so father is how many times? 3 times. So 10 into 3, 30 years. Okay, look at the screen guys carefully here. So 0 0 cancel, final answer is how much? 3 is to 1. Okay, look at the screen guys here. 2 1s are 2 3s are, final answer is how much? 3 is to 1. Okay, already you're taking son age is we don't know, let 1, right? Then final answer is how much? 3 is to 1. Got my point all of you? Okay, so son age is we don't know, you can take any number guys, not a problem, finally we will get the same answer. Got my point all of you? Any doubts regarding this point? So any doubts regarding this point guys? Okay, next, coming to the next point, once again coming to the next point, father is aged 3 times more than his son. Okay, so father is aged 3 times the more than his son. Son age is we don't know, let x guys here. Son age is we don't know, let x. Father is how many times? 3 times. Okay, x into 3, 3x. More means adding, less means subtraction. Okay, more means adding, left. Okay, so less means subtraction. So 3x plus x more than his son. Son age is how much? X. So 3x plus x, 4x is to x. 4x is to x. So it is a formation. For example, if you are going to shortcut method, okay, son age is we don't know, let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. More means adding, more than his son. Son age is how much? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is to 1. If you are going to shortcut method, son age is we don't know, let 1. Okay, if you are going to basic method, son age is we don't know, let x. Is it clear guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this point? Okay, good. Yes, if you are perfect in the 6 points, okay, total enter the concept is very dead easy guys. What is the first point? Okay, ago or before means minus. What is the second point? After or hence means plus. Okay, next. So next one is of, so twice and thrice problems, right? Twice and thrice problems, and twice thrice problems. And next one is, so what is the ratio? And next one is, what is the proportion? If you are perfect in these 6 points, total enter the concept is very dead easy guys. Okay, so look at the screen guys here. First problem, the ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4:5. After 5 years, there will be the ratio of 5:6. Find the present age of A is. Find the present age of A is. Okay, look at the screen guys here. I think very easy, but I'm going to first of all, so basic method. After that, we are using shortcut method, option verification method. So I think no need pen and paper guys here, but so I'm going to first of all basic method guys here. Okay, so the given information, first read the question properly guys, we'll get the answer just within fraction of seconds guys here. Okay, so first read the first statement, the ratio of the present ages of A and B is, the ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4:5. Okay, so look at the screen guys here. A is how many parts here? 4 parts. B is how many parts here? 5 parts. But their ages is we don't know. Their ages is we don't know. Let x guys here. Okay, so their ages we don't know. Let x. Then 4x is to 5x. Okay, so their ages we don't know. Let x guys, 4x is to 5x. Okay, read the next statement guys here. After 5 years, after means plus, right? 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5 is equal to, after 5 years the ratio is how much guys? 5 is to 6. After 5 years the ratio is how much guys? 5 is to 6. Look at the screen guys here. 4x plus 5 look like a. Let us assume guys here. So 5x plus 5, okay, B and C and D. So look like a, anyone guys, look like a proportion. What is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. Okay, so AD is equal to BC. Right. So 6 into 4x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. Okay. So look at the screen guys here. 6 4s are 24x. 6 5s are 30 is equal to 5 5s are 25x. Again 5 5s are 25. Okay. So x no side so 25x minus 24x is how much? X is equal to 30 minus 25 is how much guys? 5. X value is how many years guys? 5 years, right? Okay, find out the present age of A. A is how many parts here? 4x. A is equal to 4 into x value is how much guys? 5. 4 5s are 20 years. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer, right? So this is a basic method guys here. Any doubts regarding basic method guys? Anyone? Any doubts regarding basic method? Is it clear all of you? So all of you please respond. Any doubts regarding this question, basic method? Okay, look at the screen guys here. So I think basic method taking at least 1 or 2 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen guys here. Okay, look at the screen guys here. I'm going to second method, shortcut method guys here. Okay, so the given problem 4 is to 5. After 5 years, the ratio is how much guys? 5 is to 6. Okay, after an go on same shortcut is working guys, no problem. Okay, look at the thing guys here. The first step is cross multiplication. The first step is cross multiplication. Check the difference, right? 6 4s are 24, 5 5s are 25. Difference is how much? 1. Okay, the first step is cross multiplication. Check the difference, right? And coming to the second step, check the second ratio difference. Check the second ratio difference. 5 6 difference is how much guys? 1. And coming to the last step, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Okay, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. So find out the present age of A. Here A is how many parts guys here? 5 parts. After how many years? 5 years, right? 5 4s are 20. So it is a multiplication, right? So next one is step 2 difference. Step 2 difference is how much? 1 by step 1 difference is how much? 1 by 1 is equal to 20. Okay, so which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Is it clear guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding shortcut method? Any doubts regarding shortcut method? Okay, look at this thing guys here. So I think so shortcut method also taking at least 1 or 2 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen guys here. Okay, look at the screen guys here. So the given information I think no need pen and paper guys here. Okay, so A is to B is equal to 4 is to 5, and after 5 years, after means plus, right? After 5 years the ratio is how much guys? 5 is to 6. After 5 years, the ratio is how much, guys? 5:6. Okay. So first option is 20 years, second option is 30 years, and third option is 41 years. Now check. Go through option verification, guys, here. So which option is the right answer? I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. Right. So find out the present age of A. Present A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After 5 years, A is how many parts here? 5 parts. Go through option verification. What is the first option here? 20. So 20 is a multiples of 4. So 20 is a multiples of 4 or not, guys? Yes. 20 is a multiples of 4 because 4 5s are 20, right? After 5 years, after means plus 20 plus 5, 25. So 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. That's why first option is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, check the remaining options also, guys. Okay, 30. 30 is a multiples of 4. No. So that's why option B is wrong option. Next, 41 is a multiples of 4. No. So that's why option C also wrong option. Only option A is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding the first question? Any doubts regarding first question? Okay, good. And next one. And move on to the next question, guys. Second question. Present age of A and B are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. After 3 years, ages ratio will become 11:9. What is the present age of B? What is the present age of B? I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So find out the present age of B. Present B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. So B is how many parts? 9 parts. Okay, go through option verification, guys, here. What is the first option here? 20. Okay, 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After how many years? 3 years. After means plus 20 plus 3. 23 is a multiples of 9. No, that's why first option is the wrong option. And move on to second option, 24. 24 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 6 are 24. After how many years? 3 years. So 24 plus 3 is how much? 27. 27 is a multiples of 9. Yes, 9 3s are 27. That's why option B is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? If you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to basic method, we'll get the same answer. But if you are going to basic method, shortcut method, taking at least 1 or 2 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time, guys. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts regarding the second question? Okay. Next, move on to next question. Third one. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1:2, and 5 years back the ratio was 1:3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? Okay, I think very dead easy problem, guys. If you read the question properly, we'll get the answer just within fraction of seconds, guys, here. Okay, so the given information, I'm going to shortcut method, guys, here. Two brothers ratio is 1:2. 5 years back the ratio was 1:3. Okay, after or ago means use same shortcut, guys, here, no problem. Okay, what is the first step? Cross multiplication, check the difference. 1:3 3, 1:2 2. Difference is how much? 1. Next, 1 3 difference is how much? 2. Find out the first brother age. First brother is how many parts here? 1 part. Okay, so how many years back? 5 years back. 1:5 5 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference is equal to 10 years. Okay, first brother age is how many years, guys? So 10 years. and second brother age. Second brother is how many parts here? 2 parts. How many years back? 5 years back. So 5 2s are 10 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. So 10 2s are 20. Okay, so first brother age is 10 years, second brother age is 20 years. Okay, read the last statement. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? After means plus 10 plus 5, 20 plus 5. So then 15 is to 25. Okay, 15 is to 25. 5 threes are and 5 fives are. Okay, so after 5 years their ages will be how much, guys? 3 is to 5. Okay, so any doubts regarding third question, guys? Any doubts regarding third question? Okay, so then move on to next question, guys. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? How old is father at present? Okay, look at the screen, guys. Here, I think very dead easy problem, guys. No need pen and paper, and okay, no need pen and paper. What is the first statement, guys? Here, the present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. I'm going to shortcut method, guys. Here, son age is we don't know. Let x, guys. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. There is a formation, right? Okay, next. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, 5 years ago also, son age is we don't know. Father is how many times? 10 times. Okay, 1 into 10, 10. Okay, it is a formation, right? Okay, so the first option is 45, second option is 50, third option is 60. Go through option verification, guys, here. So I think no need pen and paper, only. Right, find the present age of father. Present father is how many times? 5 times. 5 years ago, father is how many times? 10 times. Go through option verification. What is the first option, guys, here? 45. So 45 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 nines are 45. 5 years ago, ago means minus. 45 minus 5, 40. So 40 is a multiples of 10. Yes, okay, 10 fours are 40. That's why first option is the right answer. Okay, check the remaining options also. No problem, guys, but it's a time waste, right? Okay, so let me check, guys, here. Second option is 50. So 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 tens are 50. 5 years ago, ago means minus. 50 minus 5, 45. So 45 is a multiples of 10. No, that's why option B is the wrong option. Next, 60, third option. 60 is a multiples of 5. Yes, okay, 5 12 are 60. So 5 years ago, 60 minus 5, 55. So 55 is a multiples of 10. No, that's why option C also wrong option. Option A is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, we'll get the same answer. We'll get the same answer. Any doubts regarding this question, guys? Okay, very good. Next one, guys, here. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2:3. And after 4 years, it will become 5:7. Okay, find their present age. Find their present age. If you are going to basic method, definitely we are getting 2 to 5 minutes time, guys, here. I think it's a time waste, guys, here. Okay, then go through option verification method. We'll get the same answer. We'll get the same answer. Okay, so go through option verification, guys. What is the first option here? 36 and 40. So here is given starting 4 years ago. Okay, 4 years ago, 36 minus 4 is how much? 32. Okay, 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes, 32 is a multiples of 2. Right. So after 4 years, again after 4 years, right? 36 plus 4 is how much? 40. So 40 is a multiples of 2. Yes, 40 is a multiples of 2. Right. And check the remaining 40. So 40 is a, sorry, 4 years ago, right? 4 years ago is how much, guys? 40 minus 4. 36. So 36 is a multiples of 3. Yes, 36 is a multiples of 3. Next, after 4 years, 40 plus 4, 44. 44 is a multiples of 3. No. Okay, so that's why first option is the wrong option. Okay, got my point, all of you? Yes. Check the second option, 32 and 48. So 4 years ago, 28 years, and so 4 years ago, 44 years. Now check, guys. 28 is a multiples of 2. Yes, 28 is, and next 44. 44 wrong. The multiples of 3? No. So that's why option B also wrong option. And move on to option C, 40 and 56. Okay, 4 years ago, 36 years. After 4 years, 60 years. After 4 years, 60 years. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So I think we are going to wrong way. So after 4 years, we are checking 5 is to 7, right? One second, guys. So 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 44 is a multiples of 7. No, wrong. So next here, okay, already wrong, right? First condition not satisfied. Then check here, guys, here. So 36 and 60. So 36 is a multiples of 2. Yes. 60 is a multiples of 3. Yes. After 4 years, 44, and so 56 plus 4 is how much? 60. Look at the screen, guys, here. 44 is a multiples of 5. No, so that's why option C also wrong option. And move on to option D. So look at the screen, guys, in exam point of view. So don't check the option D, because here is given total 4 options. So in this 4 options, 3 options are wrong, means 4th option is the right answer. Okay, don't check, guys. I think it's a time waste, right? But in class we are checking, guys, not a problem. 36 and 52. Okay, after 4 years ago, 36 minus 4 is how much? 32. Okay, 52. So minus 4 means 48. 36 plus 4 is how much? 40. And 52 plus 4 is how much? 56. Let me check, guys, here. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. So 48 is a multiples of 3. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 56 is a multiples of 7. Yes. 7 8 is a 56. That's why option D is the right answer. I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. Right? Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem? If you are going to basic method, we'll get the answer, but taking definitely 2 to 5 minutes time, I think it's a waste of time, guys, here. Okay, so then we are going to next question. So we are going to very slow, right? Okay, should I increase my speed? Say yes or no. Okay, which is the animal that cannot jump? Anyone, guys? What is the answer? Okay, so elephant. And next, and move on to next question, guys. So Harsha is 40 years old and Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3:5? Okay, so what is the answer, guys? Anyone? I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. I think no need pen and paper. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. Harsha and Ritu. Harsha is how many years old? 40 years old. And Ritu is how many years old? 60 years old. How many years ago? Ago means minus. How many years? We don't know. Like X, guys, here. But so ratio is given 3:5. Okay, we are going to option verification. First option is 10 years ago means minus 40 minus 10, 30, 60 minus 10, 50. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. Then final answer is 3:5. That's why first option is the right answer. 10 years ago, so their ages was 3:5. That's the first option is a satisfied. That's why first option is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, and move on to next question. The ratio of the ages of two persons is 4:7, and the age of one of them is greater than that of the other by 30 years. The sum of their ages is. The sum of their ages is. Okay, anyone, guys, what is the answer? I think very, very dead easy question, guys. I think no need pen and paper. Anyone? Okay, listen. The ratio is given here 4:7. First person is age how many parts? 4 parts. Second person age how many parts? 7 parts. So difference is how many parts? 3 parts. 4 and 7. Difference is how many parts? 3 parts. So 3 parts is equal to how many years, guys? 30 years. 3 parts is equal to how many years, guys? 30 years. So 3 parts is equal to 30 years. 1 part is how much, guys? 3 ones are 3 tens are. Okay, 1 part is equal to how many years? 10 years, right? So first person 4 parts. 1 part is how many years? 10 years. 4 into 10, 40 years. 7 into 10, 70 years. The sum of their ages 40 plus 70 is how much, guys? So 110. So which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? So any doubts regarding seventh question? Okay. So and move on to the next one, guys, here. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years. Each is 50 years. So what is the age of the youngest child? What is the age of the youngest child? Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. First child age is we don't know. Let X, guys, here. Okay, let us assume first child age is we don't know. Let X. Okay, second child age is how much, guys? Okay, each child between how many years? 3 years gap. Then X plus 3. Second child age is how much, guys? X plus 3. And third child age is how much, guys? X plus 6. Fourth child age is how much, guys? X plus 9. Fifth child age is how much, guys? X plus 12. The sum of their ages is how much, guys? 50 years. Sum means adding. Sum means adding, right? Here, how many X here? 5X. 1, 2, 3, and 5. So then 5X plus, so 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 3, 30 is equal to 50. Okay, so then 5X is equal to 50 minus 30. So then 5X is equal to 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are. X is equal to 4 years. Find the youngest child. Youngest child is how many? How much, guys? Sorry, X. Then so X value is how many years? 4 years. That's why option B is the right answer. That's B is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Okay. How well did you understand, guys? Completely, partially, and not at all. I think total how many questions completed? 8 questions completed, right? Any doubts regarding these 8 questions, guys? Any doubts regarding these 8 questions? Okay, no one is responding. Very good. Should I increase my speed? Okay, then tell me guys. The present age of Ramu is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of Ramu was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is Ramu at present? Okay, I think this type of questions is completed, right? So Ramu and his son. What is the answer, guys? Anyone? His son age is we don't know. Let one. Ramu is how many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. All right. So 5 years ago also, son age is we don't know. Let one. Ramu is how many times? 10 times. Go through option verification. What is the first option here? 50. 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 5 years ago. 50 minus 5. 45. 45. So 45 is a multiples of 10. No. That's why wrong. Next. Option B is 40. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes. Okay, so 5 years ago, 40 minus 5, 35. 35 is a multiples of 10? No, that's why wrong. Next, 45. 45 is a multiples of 5? Yes, 5 nines are 45. 5 years ago, 45 minus 5, 40. 40 is a multiples of 10? Yes, that's why option C is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, so move on to next question. I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages is. The sum of our ages is. Okay. So look at the screen, guys. Here, I think very dead easy question. I am and my son. Okay. So I am how many? I am 3 times as old as my son. My son age is I don't know. Let one. Okay. I am how many times? 3 times. Okay. 1 into 3, 3. 15 years since I will be twice. 15 years since also my age is I don't know. Let one. Okay. So I am how many times? Twice. Twice means 2 times. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Look at the screen, guys, here. The sum of our ages, the sum of our ages. Okay, I'm going to option verification, guys. Here, look at the screen, guys. Sum of our ages. I am 3 parts, my son is 1 part. Total how many parts? 4 parts. Okay, 15 years since my son is 1 part. Okay, myself 2 parts. Total how many parts? 3 parts. Go through option verification. First option is 60. 60 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 15 60. So 60 is a multiples of 3. Yes. Okay. 320 is 60. So that's why first option is the right answer. Okay. Check the remaining options also. No problem, guys, here. So option B is 40. 40 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 3. No. So that's why option B is the wrong option. And next 30. 30 is a multiples of 4. No. So that's why wrong option. That's why first option is the right answer. 60 years. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Okay, good. And next one, guys, here. The sum of present ages of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. 5 years hence, their total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. What is the present age of elder one? What is the present age of elder one? Okay, so look at the screen, guys, here. I'm going to basic method. Listen. The sum of present ages of, sum means adding, right? Sum means adding. So A plus B, okay? The sum of present ages of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. Difference means subtraction, right? That's the first step. Total ended the problem. Only 2 steps, guys, I think. So only 2 steps you can solve this problem. Okay, so look at the screen, guys, here. Find out the A value, B value here. So A plus B is equal to 11A minus 11B. Okay, 11A minus A. How much, guys? 10A is equal to 11B plus B is how much, guys? 12b. Okay, so b its side this kelpondi, 10 its side this kelpondi, and a by b is equal to 12 by 10. So 2 5s are and 2 6s are. Okay, 6 by 5. Already I told you guys. Okay, a is to b or a by b is same, right? A is to b or a by b same like this. 6 is to 5 or sorry, 6 by 5 or 6 is to 5 also same guys here. Okay, look at the screen guys here. Their ages we don't know, let x guys. Their ages we don't know, let x. Then 6x and 5x. Read the next statement guys here. 5 years hence, 5 years hence, 6x plus 5 hence means plus is to 5x plus 5. Okay, so 5 years hence their total ages, total means adding, the total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, their ages is 6x 5x. Okay, let me calculate guys here. 6x 5x 11x 5 plus 5 10. Okay, 6x minus 5x x into 13 13x. So 13x minus 11x is how much guys? 2x. So 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5. 2 1s are 2 5s are. X value is how much guys? 5 years. What is the age of elder one? Elder is how many parts here? 6x. Then 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Which option is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. Is it clear guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Any doubts regarding this question? Okay, so anyone, any doubts regarding these two questions, Prasanna and Deepu?
Sir, it's too way long. I think is there any shortcut method for this?
So in this problem, no shortcuts. I think shortcut is not applicable.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so one more point guys here, listen. For example, so this is a basic method and a shortcut method and option verification method, right? So option verification method working only 30%, so and shortcut method working only 50%, and so basic method working 100%. Okay, don't expect all problems so to solve option verification method and shortcut method guys here. Okay, so definitely shortcuts unde definitely cheptamandi. In case workout avukode, then we are also going to basic method. Got my point all of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, so today's session ikkada stop chestunnanandi. So any doubts unde today session lo adagandi, explain chestan. Otherwise we'll continue tomorrow.